speaking of leveling up, may isang player na nagle-level up. Ang ganda ng laro. Ano, sabi nga nung isa sa comment section, nung habang nanonood ako, pinanood ko kasi yung game, nakakagulat daw, parang ang galing daw ngayon ni Francis Escandor.
Yes, na-interview ko siya, Pao, and you know, this is what opportunity and freedom gives you. Kasi nang nag-take over si Coach Charles Chu sa Phoenix, yun, pinigyan niya ng opportunity si Iskandor. Magaling naman si Iskandor eh. Remember, people tend to forget. This kid was a member of the UAAP Season 86 Championship team ng Lasal. And hindi lang yung flower or bench warmer, he was an integral part of that team. Ang nangyari lang kasi, na-drop siya, pumunta siya ng rain or shine. Tinanong ko si Coach Heng, ba't hindi nagamit? Sabi niya, excuse me, heavy daw sila sa wing rotation. And that was not the fault of Francis that wasn't an indictment na hindi siya magaling. It was just an affirmation na may mas magaling pa sa kanya, saka mga veterano. Nang dumating siya sa Phoenix, ganun din, marami din mga heavy din sila sa guard play. Pero when Charles Chu took over, may history kasi sila. Magaling kasi ito si Charles Chu eh. Si Coach Charles Chu is good with player development. Dalawang MVP yan. While he coached Benilde, dalawang MVP ang lumabas sa Benilde. Si Will Gusom at saka si Allen Liwag. And that just speaks volumes to the player development skills of and talent evaluation of Charles Chu. So, si Charles at si Iskandor, nag-collaborate na dito when they played for SGA sa Dubai. So, he already knew na magaling itong bata to. He just needs the playing time and I just put him in my system. And after 3 games, tingnan mo, sumabog na si Iskandor. And, the confidence, kahit sa college, tingnan mo mga highlights ni Iskandor. The kid has a quick release at a sweet stroke. Yun ang importante sa pro kasi mabilisan talagang depensa doon. Kaya hindi ako nagtaka na umaangat siya. Tapos grateful siya, sabi niya sa akin si Francis, grateful siya sa Coach Charles Chu na binigyan siya ng pagkakataon, playing time. Importante 'yun, Pao eh. Mahirap kasi yung player ka, papasok ka doon, tapos commit ka ng turnover, papalitan ka na agad, di ba? So you always play tentative, para ka nang always looking over your shoulder. Iskandor is now playing 27 minutes a game at Phoenix. And then he is rewarding the coaching staff's trust sa kanya. So, good story, Pao.